Okay, YouTubers, I've just finished the tiling project in Aspire #2, and the #3 will be coming out very soon. So you returning viewers, look for #2 if that's what you're looking for. And it's #2 in the series. And the follow-up will be #3, and there will be some, I will be cutting it out on the CNC. If it's too long for #3, we'll go into #4. Okay, thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget, subscribe. Thumbs up or a thumbs down. We like them all. Thank you.